base mitt.
What do you mean in a game?
You mean there's a...
In a game!
There's a mitt on the base.
Or is it...
Mama, he
He
means...
doesn't even know.
He means that there's a mitt on the
When you
base.
hit the ball? Is that it? Then that's baseball.
Yeah. Boom, wham, boom.
It's a basketball.
It's what?
It's a basketball. Hey,
No, that's Abby's popsicle.
Boom, boom.
it's a pretzel. I think so. It's a pretzel, Baba.
A pretzel?
A pretzel.
Oh, Muffin, don't put it on the floor. Here, put it in your bowl. Oh, you want the spoon too? Do you want me to chop it up?